Australia. I'm about to embark on a Simpson Desert trip on the motorbike, and you certainly need a lot of lightweight gear, small compact gear, and this is definitely the mattress that you need. It's tiny, it's small, about the size of two fists, as you can see. It's the Klymit Static V-LUXE, and I'm just going to show you, I'm going to roll it out and blow it up. It's about 20 to 30 puffs, and you get a nice sized mattress. And I took it away on a bike trip a couple of months ago, and it was really comfortable. So I was really pleased about that. So let's get it out and I'll show you how it works. So just roll it out, and these are the two blow valves that you got. So you just blowing it. So we do 20 to 30 puffs. So we'll start blowing up. Here we go. So all you got to do is just push the valve down and turn it to lock it into place. That's pretty much your mattress. I mean, that's pretty firm. It's probably firm enough for me. And then I've got a Cedar Summit pillow which goes up the end there, but it's pretty hard, this mattress. Not comfy. So even that's probably a little bit hard for me. So I'd probably let it down, which you can just let out through these valves here, as you can see. Here, two valves that come out. Goes pretty quick. And then we just fold it up. Alright, so we'll just fold it up. It's a lot easier once the air's out. It doesn't take too long. But generally just flip her over on the grace side so you got the valves up. So you can already see there's the lines here run up and down, so it makes it easy to fold. It's already mapped out basically. That's the real difficult part. Now we just roll. Get it started. Do it nice and tight. So we're just getting towards the end here, and you can see the valves are open, and that's pretty much it. We just put it back in the bag. There you go. So if you're definitely doing any hiking or motorbike riding, I mean, it's still like, look how small it is. Like that can go down even smaller inside the bag. So this is the one for you. It's nice, small, compact, light, very comfortable. I backed this up on the Cedar Summit premium pillow, which I have a video on. But this is the Klymit Static V-LUXE mattress. So you can go to Wild Earth, click the link below, and they'll be able to fix you up that. The guys there are really helpful, and they looked after us. So go check it out.